When it comes to Australia, the first thing people think of is none other than cute and mischievous kangaroos. There are even a lot of people who have not met this animal in real life, but definitely know about them. As a famous creature of Australia, the kangaroo has a fighting style very similar to the human sport of boxing. Even a boxing kangaroo is a symbol in major sports events like the Olympic Games. Today, let's find out and watch the boxing moments of this kangaroo. The real boxing kangaroo. Based on the research, kangaroos are a group of marsupials in the family Macropodidae. Kangaroos live in Australia because the Australian desert is very hot, and kangaroos can live long there. When they get too hot, they lick their front paws, where there is little hair. As the saliva evaporates, it cools the blood underneath the skin, which is then transferred to the rest of the body. This is the reason kangaroos can live long in the scorching deserts of Australia. In addition, the kangaroo is mainly active at night, when the temperature is already cool. In the cooler months, they can feed all day. Their food is mainly fungi, plants and insects. Kangaroos have strong hind legs and long, narrow feet. They sit on these legs and their big, sturdy, ruffled tails. If they are feeding or moving at a slow speed, they use all four of their legs, and when walking fast, they move by leaps and bounds. The kangaroo looks like a top-heavy boxer. Footage captures a very funny moment when a man sees his dog was clamped by a kangaroo. Immediately, he ran up to and threatened the kangaroo. At this point, it removed its hand from the dog's neck and moved on to a new target. Immediately after, the man took a stance and unleashed a powerful punch in the middle of the kangaroo's face. The kangaroo was stunned, took a few steps back, and then ran straight. It's known that kangaroos can be up to 2 meters tall and weigh 90 kilograms. Their muscle accounts for a third of the body weight of this giant kangaroo. In addition, their lungs and heart are also very large, allowing the kangaroo to breathe in large amounts of air in a semi-arid climate. The special body construction, with the hind legs much larger than the front legs, allows them to jump 10 meters horizontally and jump up to 1 meter high. Meanwhile, the smaller front legs can help them move on 4 legs and dig or hug opponents. The two muscular kangaroo fighters spend a few minutes assessing the opponent before launching dangerous kicks into the opponent's abdomen. It seems that this is a battle for territory. They use their forelimbs to prevent their opponents from dodging attacks. Strong punches are launched while the two animals fight. They stand on their hind legs, use their tails for balance, and use their front limbs to launch attacks. Sometimes they launch kicks with clawed hind paws, which could break bones or even kill their rivals. Meanwhile, the front legs of a kangaroo are much shorter and less powerful than their hind legs. These two legs are mainly responsible for supporting the ground for balance when kangaroos graze, or obstructing their opponent's vision while they fight. Kangaroos are herbivores, but they can become extremely aggressive when competing for territory or mates. They have strong hind legs and very large feet, allowing them to make great leaps by bouncing. Strong legs help kangaroo easily move over large distances with a maximum speed of 72 kilometers an hour. During mating season, male kangaroos often follow the female. Fights between males often break out. This male kangaroo is fiercely fighting for a mate. They push and grab the opponent to find a way to kick the opponent. All their strength and skills are just like those of real boxers. Fortunately, the referee stopped the fight before the two opponents went too far. According to published figures, a male red kangaroo has an average kick strength of about 850 psi, which is stronger than the bite force of an adult lion, 650 psi. They have an extremely strong and large body, and are as athletic as a bodybuilder. To have such great bodybuilding muscle is thanks to the way they move on the ground. Their movement is similar to exercises in the gym. Kangaroos do these exercises every day. For example, when moving forward on 4 legs, they will place the front legs on the ground in a push-up position, then use it as a fulcrum to move the whole body. Kangaroos are also combined with a high-protein diet and reasonable rest to restore muscle and avoid useless energy loss, so it is not difficult to understand why the kangaroo has such a toned and muscular body. Because of having such a body, it can be said that the kangaroo is not bored of any animal. However, they are sometimes very friendly with other animals, such as domestic dogs. The little kangaroo and the dog are playing together, looking very happy. Taking advantage of his height, the kangaroo repeatedly used his front paws to hug the opponent's neck, then gently kicked the dog with his hind legs to avoid injuring it. A friendly battle between dogs and kangaroos was very exciting. In the end, they ran around chasing each other, looking very interestingly. Through the joy of both sides, perhaps this is not the first time they have played together like this. It can be seen that the more you learn about kangaroos, the more you will see that they are an extremely interesting animal. Today's video ends here. Thank you for watching all of our videos. How did you guys find today's video? Please comment down below. If you love exploring the animal world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. And now goodbye!